Morning, guys. Day 2 in Phuket. We're going on we got my little swimmies. We're going on a scuba tour or a snorkeling tour. Oh, excuse me. We're going on a snorkeling tour at PP Island, PHI. So let's get the GoPro ready. We're gonna go into water and grab some footage.
Everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, grab somebody.
By the Viking Cove, with our new friend Yasmin.
Hi!
And what else do you want me to
We're snorkeling.
We're snorkeling.
We're seeing.
And
This
then
is your
lots of cool
first time
fish.
snorkeling?
My first time snorkeling. And that's really cool. And I don't know what to say.
Okay, you're having too much fun to vlog.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey guys, joke of the day. So what happens, oh, we got a tantrum over here. What happens when somebody asks you, have you been to Thailand before? And if you have and you've done that, you say, been there, tied that. So Pit and Peak from yesterday, Sunday, when we were in Thailand, basically Celeste and I came from Bangkok to Phuket for the day and sat on the beach, sat my ass in this chair all day, and it was amazing. And we had some really nice Thai ladies serve us some Chang beer and sing a beer. And Celeste and I just hung out on the beach all day. And the infinity pool, definitely a peak. Pit? What's a pit? I don't know. I guess being on the flight again, I guess that's really better. But yesterday was really cool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do my pit and peak for today as well. So today we did the Island Dreams, snorkeling, PP Island, PHI, PP Island tour, which was awesome. Peak is definitely snorkeling and seeing fish. Saw sea urchins, saw a bunch of like little Finding Nemo fish. It was really cool. Pit was probably when it was over because I wanted to like keep going all day. So Pit and Peak. One more real quick, met some really cool people today. We met Yasmin from New York who was teaching in China, Guangzhou maybe, for a while. And then we met Jeff and April, which is kind of funny, that's my aunt and uncle's names. Met them from Alberta, Canada. Had a really good time with them. And then we met an Indian family, I think they were Indian, but they were from Kenya and lived in London now. I don't know. They were super nice, and we chatted with them too. So I think Thailand's cool because you have all these beautiful places, and the Thai people are super nice. But then all the people that travel here are really fascinating to talk to as well. So definitely awesome.